Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back. Welcome back to the channel. If you're anything like me as a creator, you're always trying to find ways to improve your efficiency when you're making your YouTube videos. And one tool that has really helped me step my game up is the Elgato prompter. I'm actually using it right now, if you can't tell. Hopefully you can't tell. But first, I just want to get this out of the way. Just a quick question. Did you hear about the camera that applied for a job? No, maybe, yes. Well, if you did or if you didn't, it didn't get to position because it couldn't focus. Get it? Anyway. All right, now that I've got your attention and hopefully I got a chuckle out of you or a small laugh, make sure you hit that subscribe button and stick around, because today I'm going to be tackling an issue that I think some of us might be struggling with or dealing with when getting the prompter lens ring to fit your camera lens. Now let's dive into the Elgato prompter. I feel like it is a game changer, particularly if you're a YouTube creator. But here's the deal. The included rings, it doesn't fit every camera lens, and that is exactly the problem that I ran into. I'm using the GH5 Mark II, and none of the rings in the prompter box fits my 15mm micro four thirds lens. If that sounds familiar, I got a really simple solution to you that I think is going to save you time. And I also think it's going to keep your setup looking really clean. All right, so here's what you'll need. You're going to need a step-up ring adapter, and I picked one up off of Amazon. It's a 46mm to a 49mm adapter, and it bridges the gap between the thread size on my lens. So the bigger question is, why does this matter? So the micro four thirds lens, like the one I have on my camera, sometimes it does have a smaller filtered thread size. For my Lumix lens, it's actually a 46mm. So I feel like this adapter is a must-have. So installing the lens ring, it's really super simple. All you have to do is just screw the lens ring onto your lens and then attach the correct Elgato lens ring. And then your lens is fully compatible with the prompter. Personally, I'm not a big fan of the universal straw that comes in the prompter box. It just blocks access to your camera controls. It just makes it harder to power on your camera or even swap out memory cards. Plus, it's definitely not the cleanest look. So yeah, if you want to keep things sleek and efficient, I would say skip the shroud and grab this step-up ring. I feel like it's a small investment and it just makes a big difference. You can find these for just a few bucks on Amazon. What I'll do is I'll leave a link in the description below for the one that I am using for my GH5 Mark II micro four thirds camera, or even if you have any other lens with a smaller thread size. Otherwise, if you found this video helpful, or if you just enjoyed my dad joke masterpieces, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and reviews.